Hey guys, welcome to iPhone Fix. I'm going to show you a simple and safe method to replace the battery on your iPhone X. Power off the phone and remove the two pendulum screws at the bottom. Press the suction cup onto the screen and pull up to create a slight gap between the screen and the frame. Insert the pick into the gap and slide around the screen. There's a watertight adhesive around the screen. You can heat the screen around with a hairdryer for about 1 minute in order to soften up the adhesive. Gently pull or wiggle the screen down and open it by swinging the screen up from the left side. Use a Y-type screwdriver to remove the 5 Y-type screws. Use a spatula or a fingernail to pry the battery connector up and line the digitizer and the sensor assembly connectors. The sensor assembly flex cable is lightly adhered in place. Carefully lift the cable until the adhesive separates. The battery is secured to the rear case by 4 pieces of stretch-release adhesive. Apply a few drops of glue remover under the battery to weaken the adhesive. Wait about 10 seconds, then separate the tab and pull the strip out slowly. Peel off the liner. Attach the battery connector. Carefully position the battery and set it into the phone. Then pry up the battery connector. Remove all the old adhesive. Peel the backing and apply the adhesive. Reattach the connectors. Put on the bracket and tighten the screws. Tighten the two pendulum screws at the bottom and the repair is done.